I've always said cleansing is the most important part of my beauty routine, especially after long 12-hour photo shoots with layers and layers of makeup on. My skin starts screaming, "Let me breathe!" So today I'm going to show you how I cleanse and refresh my skin using Dissolve the Drama and White Mud Exfoliator. So first I'm going to take Dissolve the Drama and just pour some on my hands. Then just massage it all over my face. Here comes the fun part. I love Dissolve the Drama because it literally melts off all my makeup. It's super gentle and it cleanses because it has jojoba oil, cucumber, and aloe. Oh my gosh, I look like a monster. But this is what happens when you cleanse your face. You start looking like a panda. 2 cotton swabs and just wipe off the rest. Ta-da! Amazing, right? Comes off completely. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish it off with White Mud Exfoliator. So I'm just gonna rinse my face a little bit, take off the excess oil, take a towel and just dab my face, and then take White Mud Exfoliating scrub and just gently massage my face. That feels so good. So this has porcelain clay in it, so it leaves my skin feeling super smooth. I just massage, like 1 or 2 minutes. You can also use this as a mask. Leave it on for, 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna gently scrub and then rinse off. My skin feels so soft and renewed. And there you have it, my cleansing routine using Dissolve the Drama and White Mud Exfoliating Scrub.